Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video to talk once again about something that's very important to fix, whether you're on Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. And it's a cumulative update that was sent this week on Wednesday, December the 19th, 2018, to fix a security flaw in Internet Explorer. Now, it affects Internet Explorer 9, 10, and 11. So this also means that they actually, in some cases, have issued special updates for unsupported versions because it was really, really bad. Now, there's about 10% of people in the world still using Internet Explorer. That's not a lot, but it's still important to actually update your PC to fix the security hole. Even if you don't use Internet Explorer, it's important to do so because a link could actually specify to open Internet Explorer, or you could be doing something and some modules of Internet Explorer might be used without you actually knowing that they are. So Microsoft rolled out a fix for that zero-day Internet Explorer vulnerability. Basically, hackers are already exploiting this. It's very easy as long as you go to a page that has been specially scripted. What happens is that you have something that happens that is a memory corruption. And in there, it opens, of course, a flaw. Attackers simply have to send you a link that's engineered to exploit it. They will be able to gain control of your system, install programs, malware, even create a new account with full administrative rights. It's really, really a bad flaw because it's easy to exploit, and it's already exploited. So that update, once you actually have applied it, even if you would go onto that bad website, well, you would be safe. You would still be safe because it actually, stops that vulnerability from being exploited, of course. And they modified how the scripting engine handles objects in memory to fix this. It was discovered by Google, and Google, of course, told Microsoft about this really, really bad flaw. So make sure that you update your Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 systems because this is a very, very nasty problem, and you will stay safe by actually applying these updates, making sure that you have the latest updates on the Windows operating system. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.